So excited about Halloween this year. I'm going to be trying out so many fun things. I've got 2 looks for sure that I'm going to be doing that I had my followers vote on. And then I've got this little baby that I want to try out. I've never done like a latex mask, anything like that. But yep, got some supplies here. Got some jewels for somebody else's makeup that I'll be doing. You know who you are, girl. And then I got these for, I don't know. They look gone. But I don't know, I was thinking about possibly like doing my makeup, trying to wear these. But I think eventually I'll have to take them off to do my eyes. Maybe I'll do my eyebrows while I'm wearing these. I don't know, but they're cute. Beetle, beetle, beetle. So stay tuned for some very interesting Halloween makeup. It'll be a first for me, so they will probably be very interesting videos for sure. But I'm very excited to get into my Wet n Wild haul, basically, because they've got tons of new stuff that's coming out in the, oh, what is it called? I don't know, it's like the Dragon Collection or something, Fire and Ice, I don't know. Fire, Earth, Wind, Water. I've got these 2 eyeshadow palettes that I want to play with. I've got 2 lip glosses that are gorgeous, and I'll probably use one of those. Okay, so I'm going to start in with the darkest brown. I'm going to take a clean blending brush, go over all my edges right here, right here. Okay, so then I'm going to take that brush and I'm not going to dip back into the powder, I'm just going to use whatever is left. Just go right over the crease. You got yourself a nice little blended smoky. Nice little blended smoky. Alright, so next, not too much fallout actually. They're quite smooth, I would say. We're gonna go in with this burgundy shade right here. I'm going to put this just below the crease, and I'm going to slowly build up that color because it is a bright, vibrant purple. Okay, I'm going to take that clean blending brush again. And I'm going to go back in with that purple shade and just lightly dust it back over. Give it a little wash. Okay, what's next? I think I want to go in with a touch of this orange shade. I mean, for Wet n Wild, it's not the worst color story I've ever seen. In fact, it's pretty good for, you know, I think this was $5. And just blending that together. Now, the reason a lot of people use oranges as like transition shades and stuff like that is because oranges always blend like a stinking dream. Okay, all this eye needs on the top is a little bit of liner. Palette has the lightest white shade right here, and take that Okay, so I'm thinking for this look, no eyebrows. Just make it easier on myself, right? Hello. But the next step to my process is going to be, this is the only eye you're getting. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. It's the only eye you're gonna get in this tutorial. The rest of this is going to be interesting. So keep on watching. Don't go anywhere. Alright, so basically I'm just going to go ahead and do this side of my face and glam it up real good, and we will move on. Alright you guys, we are officially ready for phase 2. I'm gonna add just a little touch of foundation too, because I think just putting concealer on my face might be like super dry. Alright, let's do this. Little bit of my Coty Airspun, or a lot of it of my Coty Airspun. I'm going to use this horrific makeup kit that I have here. We're going to mix the black and the white, and hopefully we'll get a gray colored contour. Basically, I'm just finger painting. You know what I just realized though, is that I did not finish underneath my eye on this side. Now the other side, different story. Same brush, different story. Going to be going in with some black. Guys are doing the finishing touches.